tonight.
Hello YouTube, today we'll be doing a menu and I'll be creating stuff, showing you how to script what I want. What you would like to know is how to make a frame open and close, including when you push on a teleport button. Okay, let's get to work. So I have my little test field, and so here I created a little road with a house. So if I play, once it loads, it's loading. Okay, once the game launches, here's my road. It's nice and beautiful. A house. Then I have my menu button that I've created a house and street. So if I click on the house, it's going to teleport me to a house. Inside the house. If I click on street, it teleports me to the street. And it closes the menu, which I like. I'm going to teach you how to do that now. So this is the script. That's it. That's all we're doing today. So now, I'm gonna take this starter GUI. I might just throw it in storage. Okay, so at your starter GUI right here, right click, insert object, and we're gonna insert a screen GUI. Right here. So from here, we're gonna change the name to menu, because that's what we're making. Now we're gonna insert a text button inside the menu. Name the text button button. Remember, spelling does count. You have to spell it exactly as you do in the script. So for the button, type in the button open. If you don't know how I did this stuff, you can just go into the properties and change it to the properties. So in the properties section right here, we're going to go to, where is it? Style. We're going to change the style to the Roblox button default. Down here, change the color so you can see the button. I'm going to choose like a light blue. Then we're going to make the button text scaled. There we go. That's the open button. Now we're going to create the frame. So right click on the thing, then create a frame. Name the frame menu frame, so it doesn't get confused. Whoops. My bad, I'm screwing up. Give me a second. Frame, there we go. So now we're going to customize the frame. Customize it however you like. Your thing, I'm just customizing it how I like it. The anchor point I wouldn't use unless you know how to use it. So basically, the 0.5 to 0.5 anchor point sets it to the exact center. In the position, I like to center it to the screen. You'll just take 0.5 by 0 for both the X and Y. There you go. Now it's centered to the middle. Now we're gonna stretch it. What I'm doing is gonna obviously off center it, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna recenter it. So it's gonna be 0.5 by 0.5. Okay, now it's exactly in the center of the screen, and it'll stay in the center of the screen. Now in the menu, we're gonna make two buttons. We're gonna make the teleport 1 button right here. So center that. Name, say house for the button. Now customize this button however you like. I'm doing mine by the Roblox default with different color schemes. So yeah. Whoops. There we go. That's the house one. Now I like to duplicate, or you can Control D duplicates. This one's gonna be called Street. Now go back and rename them. One's gonna be called House, and the other one's gonna be called Street. So once we got all this down, so we're like this far, go to the menu frame and click visible off. So that will be right here, visible off. So now we can't see it. It's not here no more. Now we're gonna go in here, insert object, create a local script. Now in the script, we're gonna call out everything. So for the teleporters, I've already went in and I made 2 spots where I'm teleporting to. So for the house, I have a part right here. This part is the house teleporter, and then over here I created a street one. Right here. This is the street one. These are what the players will land on. So yeah. If you want to know how to create that, link in the description. But as of now, let's get to it. So we're going to go into the local script and we're going to call out the buttons. So local, let's call out the opening button. Local B equals script dot parent dot whatever you name the button. There you go. Then we're going to call local house, which I'm going to name H. Local H equals script dot parent dot menu frame dot house. Then local S for street equals script dot parent dot menu frame dot street. There you go. BHS. That's our 3 variables. So now we're gonna call out the teleporting spot. So I'm gonna say local HT equals game dot workspace dot house T, which house T stands for house teleporter. And then local ST for street teleporter equals game.workspace.street T. There you go. The house and street T is whatever you named it. So now from here, we're gonna call the player now. PLR is gonna be for player. Player equals game.players.localplayer.character. We're calling the character. You can't teleport if you just call the local player. You need to call the character too. So now we're going to say open equals false. That's another variable. Setting it to false. Now we're going to call the B dot mouse button one click connect function. So from here we're going to say if open equals false, then we're going to say, oh shoot. Go back up into here, above, like below the button. Local M equals script.parent.menu frame. You want to just call the menu frame itself. Now from here, M dot visible equals true. Then B dot text equals close. We're renaming the text this way. Then from here we're going to say open equals true. We're going to set that variable true. Now set in an else if statement for open equals true. So now it's going to check if open is going to be, if the variable open is true. If it's true, it's going to run right here. Now we're going to say m.visible equals false. And then we're going to say b.text equals open. And we're going to say open equals false. There you go. I would say take these 3 and copy it, like so. Control C, or you can right click copy. Now we're going to call out the house teleporter. H dot mouse button one click connect function. Then from here, we're gonna call out PLR move to, spelled exactly. And now we're gonna say move to HT dot position, not parent, position. Make sure it's position. Then space it and then do this, and then it's good. Oops, don't delete that. There you go. That's the H. Now we can call out the street. Yeah, street dot mouse button one click to connect function. Now from this function we're gonna call PLR move to, oops, make sure that was lowercase, street dot position, not parent, street dot position. Then we're gonna say, then we're just gonna control V that, and then from there it should be ready. So if we just test it, so I'm in my game. See, this menu works just fine. So if I hit house, it closes the menu and teleports me. If I click it again, there you go. There you go. That is the script. I thank you guys for watching. If you're having scripting help at all, put your script and use the output, which is right here, and put whatever the output's telling you. And also have the script analysis up, which is right here at the bottom, or you can open it by going to view and script analysis. Tell me what that's saying to you also, for that script only. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.